Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we're going to continue our build on the Ford Raptor. Okay, so today we're going to work on getting the bumpers on and the front end as well. Get everything together. I mean, it's going to look complete at the end, hopefully. We're definitely buttoning up all the small stuff. Check engine light, ABS, airbag light, making sure all that's taken care of before we put the body panels on. So we definitely got a lot of work to do. Let's go at it. Alright, let's get that bumper going. We're gonna try our best not to scratch the paint job. Try our best. Got some parts in from the dealer. Needed a battery box, and a windshield, the washer reservoir. Unfortunately, our black one was smashed and our burnt one was burnt, so still a couple parts we needed, but not too bad. Just gonna put that inside of there. Keep going. Alright guys, so we got the truck on the lime wrench machine, and pretty much we want to push this wheel all the way forward so it's not going to rub on the fender. It's pretty much going to rub, we don't want to, cut as much as we can. So I pushed it all the way forward. Let me show you what I did. So it does have camber caster adjustments right here. We maxed everything out from factory, trying to get this wheel all the way forward. Unfortunately, when we did that, maxed out the caster, we maxed out the camber. As you guys can see, we can always get aftermarket camber control arms to fix the camber, but we don't want the wheel rubbing on the fenders. So before this, I got everything green, was good. Got steering wheel good. Our rear axles pointed dead on. Everything else was really nice. So now we're ready to start putting the fenders on. And if the fender's clear, we can just fix the caster and fix the camber, and we'll be good to go. But it's coming along nicely. So here, as you're working on the Raptor, continuing it, you guys check that out. That's not good. I guess the bumper is too heavy. We got the rear, so I got these little spacers. I'm gonna try that so I kind of level it out a little bit in the front. Let's see how that goes. Hopefully it's not gonna be a pain to install. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. Let's take off the wheel. So we got the wheel off. Now we have to put the spacer in right there with this guy. Well, as you guys can see, there's a lot of stuff in the way. So we're gonna unscrew the upper control arm, unscrew the bottom, maybe this tire then so it swings out better. And then we'll just try to compress it a little bit so give it some slack. Unscrew those bolts and try to try this thing out. A lot easier said than done. So let's get to it. Okay, check it out. We got it in. We got that spacer in there. It wasn't too bad. The other side was a little harder, but ready to put the wheel on, and then we'll double check the alignment again. Let's get to it. Check it out. A lot better. Hopefully it's not gonna rub. Okay, check it out. We got the Raptor on the alignment rack with the spacers. So that helped us with the height a little bit. And I adjusted it and it came out great. Look, camber's in, caster toe, rear toe, thrust angle. Looking good, but it looks like we're gonna have to chop the fenders a little bit. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. So let's do that, and then also we forgot we got to add some differential fluid. So we'll fix that, and then we'll fix the exhaust leak, and maybe go for a test drive. So let's get to it. Alright guys, now that I got the windshield installed, I can put the windshield cowl back on, windshield wipers, get that on there, it's gonna look a lot better. Not so empty. Let's do it. Got the original lights off the burnt Raptor. They come off the front bumper. I'm gonna put them back on. They look really nice, so why not? Let's put it back on. I'm gonna mount right there. See what it looks like. Looking good. Alright, so we got these other lights right here. We bought some more. They're gonna look good. I mean, we got white option and then also amber. Ivan's about to test it out for us. Show us, Ivan. Show us how it's done. 1 second, let me check this.
You just gotta jump on, put power to it, make sure they work. And then we'll figure out the wiring after. A little bracket right there in the back. And just put that in there and boom.
Yeah, I don't know why we need so many lights, but
Like I said, we live in the South.
we live in the South, and we're gonna drive at night, so yeah.
I gotta see the Raptor coming.
Blind everybody away.
Oh,
Okay, let's see if these big guys work.
There we go. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Nice.
Sick.
Bright LEDs. Those things are heavy duty. I mean, solid casing, full metal. It was nice. These guys are a little thinner, but still good. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Changing colors there. You got amber.
Together. Yep. Too much flashing.
Nice. You could do both of them at the same time?
Yeah. Just different LEDs.
Dang. It's hard to see in the camera, but it looks cool. All right, let's get it mounted and we'll figure out the wires. Little blinker going on right there. Nice. All these little things. Just takes time for sure, but it's gonna look good. It's worth it. Fancy. All right, let's put those lights in. We got some lights for the back bumper as well.
I got this one ready.
Got like a halo ring on it. Either for turning signal or reverse, we'll see, depending on what we do. Let's check out this light. Fancy looking. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow.
That'd be a nice reverse light right there.
Right, and then the other one. Oh, yeah. Fancy. Is it supposed to do that? There it is, together.
Alright.
That's good, let's get it on there. Snapped in the F-150 sign, but the Raptor, I'm gonna have to get that double-sided taped. So I'll do that later when I do the other emblems, and so I gotta do the one on the side of the door, and fender pins, I gotta do that too, so I'll just wait for that till later. But right now I'm gonna probably put that skid plate in the front, big aluminum one, make sure I put my lock on, so I can drive this thing. Not gonna lie, I think I love it. It looks amazing. Look at that plate. Boom. Oh yeah. Beefy. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. Honestly, we're so close. We're almost gonna get on the road, but we just gotta figure out some more wires at the ABS and stuff like that before we start driving it. But it's getting there. It looks fantastic. I mean, it sounds good. Still probably take it to a muffler shop because we got the O2 sensors we gotta figure out, but you know, little things for next time. But it's time to find our winner. So let's find our first winner. We have 775 comments. Oh, before we find our first winner, check this out, guys. Now it's gonna do a little package deal. We have a lanyard for y'all, the sticker you've seen already, but these are really nice, you know? Just put it out there.
So you have one of each?
Yeah, we'll put it all together and mail it out to you. So All right, first winner is Jim Julius. Congrats, bro. You're the first winner. Raptor's looking good. I appreciate it. It is. Go ahead and email us your information and we'll send you out the little package.
So you get one of these, and a sticker.
Nice. All right, time to find our second winner. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Roma, I like the rebuild. I have a 2015 Ford F-150. But he didn't write
You
Raptor.
put Raptor.
Dang, sorry, bro.
Let's pick another one.
Here we go. Jeff Peterson, Raptor. Straight to the point. Nice. You got it. You're winner number 2. And our final winner is Mario. Raptor, keep the good work, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it, Mario. Congratulations.
And are we still doing another giveaway, Mike?
We are doing more, so you'll probably get this another package deal going on. So go ahead and let us know what you like.
And also, like, we're almost done with the Raptor build. That means we got a new build.
We do have a new build coming.
Anyway, you guys can guess what it is. And also, guys, happy Father's Day.
Yeah. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a good one. Stay tuned till next time.